Hey everyone, and welcome to Cutting Edge AI, Deep Reinforcement Learning in PyTorch. This is the best and most in-depth online resource for learning one of the most powerful forms of AI, deep reinforcement learning.
So, who am I and why should you listen to me?
Well, my name is the Lazy Programmer, and I'm the author of over 40 online courses in data science, machine learning, and financial analysis.
I have 2 master's degrees in engineering and statistics.
My career in this field spans over 20 years.
I've worked at multiple companies that we now call big tech and multiple startups. Using data science, I've increased revenues by millions of dollars with the teams I've led. But most importantly, I am very passionate about bringing this pivotal technology to you.
Okay, so what is this course all about? Well, as the title suggests, this course is all about deep reinforcement learning, which combines the field of reinforcement learning with deep neural networks. Traditionally, these have been separate topics, but in recent years, researchers have discovered new techniques that make them effective when used together. And the benefits go in both directions. Deep learning has made reinforcement learning much more powerful, allowing it to beat world champion Go and chess players, achieve superhuman performance in video games, and even control robots in the physical world. Conversely, reinforcement learning has made deep neural networks much more powerful. The latest LLM technologies, like ChatGPT, Claude, and Gemini, use a technique known as reinforcement learning from human feedback to train these AIs to be our helpful assistants. In short, if you consider yourself a modern machine learning engineer, you need to know both deep learning and reinforcement learning, and how to combine them. So what will you learn in this course, and what will you get out of it? This course will teach you 2 powerful approaches for how to combine deep learning with reinforcement learning. Specifically, we will focus on continuous action spaces, which is useful for robotics, algorithmic trading, in financial markets, and other important real-world applications. The first method we'll study is known as DDPG, or Deep Deterministic Policy Gradient. This method is like a continuous action space version of DeepQ learning, which we covered in the prequel to this course. It uses various modern tricks, including using a replay buffer and target networks to improve training stability and efficiency. The second method we'll study is called TD3, or Twin Delayed DDPG, which improves the algorithm even further by creating a set of twin Q networks. We'll apply both methods to various environments, including the MuJoCo physics simulator and position sizing for algorithmic trading. And yes, because this is a lazy programmer course, you will learn how to build these algorithms from scratch and apply them to a variety of datasets. No longer will you have to spend 20 minutes just to learn one line of API code while still wondering how any of it works. By the end of this course, you will feel comfortable listing deep reinforcement learning on your resume.
You'll also get a certificate of completion you can share in your LinkedIn account to impress your colleagues and potential employers with your newfound skills. This course will help you achieve your career goals. Whether you want to get a job in AI and machine learning, increase your salary, create your own business, or just analyze data for fun, this course is for you. Thanks for listening, and I'll see you in the next lecture.